Welcome to our channel One to Step, where we post tutorial video. Today I'll teach you guys how you guys can log in into Citizen's bank account, and it's pretty simple, so follow the steps. Before I show you the steps, if you guys are new to our channel One to Step, hit that subscribe to our channel. Let's move on. First step, you want to search for Citizen's bank login just like this. And after you search for Citizen's bank login, the option where it says Citizen's online banking, click on it. And make sure it takes you to citizensbankonline.com. Make sure this is the URL and click on it. Once you do that, it'll take you to its official website, which is going to look just like this. And over here where it asks you your user ID, enter your user ID, and where it says password, just enter the password of your account. After you do that, scroll a bit down and click on login. Once you do that, if your user ID and password is correct, you should be able to log in into Citizens Bank. And if you forgot your password, you can always click on this to recover it as well. So that's it for today's video. Hit that subscribe to our channel One Step. I'll see you guys next time.